Now, here is how you can link WhatsApp to the iPad. So, as you know, when you are on the iPad and you open up the App Store, you're going to notice that the WhatsApp is simply absent, and you're not going to be able to get the official WhatsApp app on your iPad, which is a little bit unfortunate. So, we need to get around it. And how do we do that? The way that I would recommend you to go about it would be by using the WhatsApp web application, which will be able to link to your current WhatsApp account. So you're going to leave the App Store and instead head over to the Safari and look up WhatsApp web. You should be able to just find it right away as a link in your Safari browser. And you just tap on it, and you're going to be presented with a QR code. So what you need to do then is to grab the iPhone on which you have the WhatsApp set up properly and everything, and you go inside of your settings, then go to the linked devices, and you'll be able to scan that QR code with your iPhone. And after this, you're going to be able to just load up all of your chats and every single like attachment and everything on your iPad as well, and that's how you can link them together. So of course you can text, you can reply on this iPad, and you can also manage the linked devices on your WhatsApp on the iPhone, which is like the main device for it. So this is pretty useful. I personally use it a lot more on the iPad. So yeah, it really does make sense to just link this way. So that's going to be about it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. For more content and videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you never miss future tutorials and updates, and I'll see you in the next one.